This internal corner is designed to slide the panels in so you get a nice neat finish. With the internal corner, you measure from floor to ceiling up to the coving that's already been fitted. And on this occasion, we have got 2 meters 200. Get your measurement, cut that to length. This will be lined up in the mitre block and then cut nice and slowly. Once cut to size, put in position up to the coving and then screw through the lip section. Now these screws will be concealed when the panels slide into it. On this internal corner and all the trims with a silver finish, there is a protective film which needs to be peeled off to give you that nice shine of chrome effect.